I chose NIT as my education provider because before deciding, I came here to have a tour around, to look around the school. So I met with one of the staff members who helped me out. So what at NIT is more of like a hands-on approach compared to university where it's more theoretical based. So this is what I prefer, as you get to actually practice things rather than just studying and not know what it is. I really enjoyed studying cybersecurity because that is what I really wanted to do. It's one of my passions. So at NIT, they actually teach you how to set up a firewall, how to secure your network, and you actually get to practice it on the servers and the devices here. I really enjoyed my time at NIT. The staff here is really nice, everyone's really helpful, so if you need anything, they're always there to help you out. The team is everyone is really helpful, especially the staff in front, the front desk, the admins. They really help you with everything. As long as you have a question, they will be happy to answer your question. And the trainers, everyone's really friendly. They're always walking around campus, so you can just have a friendly chat. Yeah, if you have any questions, they're always happy to help you out.